3 super easy natural ways to whiten your skin. Everyone likes blonde color in our country. It is the wish of every girl to look beautiful and attractive. That's why they are ready to use any method, fearing that it will have bad effects on their face. That's why today we have brought various face whitening methods for women, after using which they will look more beautiful and confident than before. Uses of yogurt. The main reason for using curd is that it contains lactic acid, which is considered to be the best for skin whitening. Before washing your face in the morning, apply yogurt on your face and gently massage your face. When the yogurt is well applied to your face and neck, leave it for a while so that the lactic acid can do its job well. After 15 minutes, rinse the mouth thoroughly with fresh water and dry gently. By repeating this method daily for about 1 to 2 months, your face will become whiter. Uses of curd and honey. Adding a spoonful of honey to curd and applying it on your mouth will make your complexion fairer and fairer. Apply the curd and honey mixture gently on the face and neck skin and wash off with fresh water after 20 to 25 minutes. Use of besan. The use of besan is also considered useful for whitening the skin. Besan contains many important ingredients that help in whitening the skin of the face. Mix besan with a little rose water to make a thick paste and apply it on the skin of the face and neck and leave it for some time. When all the paste is dry, wash the face thoroughly with fresh water and dry with a soft cloth. If you like our video, then please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel Healthcare. Allah Hafiz.